Hello to all my family and friends out there. I want to wish you all a very belated Happy Thanksgiving. Many of you I didn't get to talk to or see, and do know that I missed you, and if any of you missed me, thank you as well. I'm making this video because I am very grateful, and I just wanted to share that with all my family and friends. I have much to be grateful for, many people who have encouraged me and helped me and continue to do so. And I'm also making this video because I just got done talking to Kyla, my dear daughter, who's in Rwanda, Africa, teaching English to 130 students, if you can believe that. Wow, I remember when I had 32 third graders and how overwhelming that was. So now I'm just going to kind of talk as if I'm talking to Kyla, because that's my audience. That will make me more relaxed. Just got done Skyping her, as I said, for almost an hour. Anyway, the reason I want to make this video is because Kyla also told me, along with her teaching and the dancing and traveling out to beautiful mountainous areas, which of course makes me want to come see her even more, she told me that Bill's not planning on bringing Chrissy to Las Vegas for Christmas. And I made myself not cry on the screen. I haven't even cried yet. Instead, it actually empowered me to change my life. There's a song by Joss Stone, don't know the exact name, but in there she says, "I'm taking it back, taking back my life," because that's exactly what I'm going to do, what I am doing, what I have to do. Because Chrissy can't speak for herself. Bill thinks he can decide not to bring her to Las Vegas, but all of her family is here. She only sees his parents, her grandparents, once a year. She only sees my mom, Grammy, and all the cousins once a year. And at this point, it's almost as if I get to see her once a year, just because of finances. So I'm just making this video to speak up for Chrissy, because she deserves to see her family, and she deserves to have her mom come see her, which I want to do all the time and struggle greatly with. I know that God's going to provide at some point, and so I'm just boldly making this video, as silly as I look, and asking for my family and friends on Facebook to help me in my endeavors to go see Chrissy. I'm going to be starting some businesses. I don't know exactly what they'll look like, but I've been wanting to do this for 2 to 3 years. I even told Ash before she passed away that I would start an online store, and I can't wait any longer, so I'm going to be doing that. When you see my attempts up there, you can smile and laugh along with me. I read a quote yesterday about when you're starting something, you just have to jump off the cliff and assemble an airplane on the way down. So if you want to help me assemble that airplane, I would appreciate it greatly. So would Chrissy. And Kyla, when I eventually get to go visit her. Anyway, to go see Chrissy, I'm going to start this store by having affiliate products for sale. If there's anything on there that you see that you like and you want to buy, or you just want to buy through me, by shopping through places like Amazon, Best Buy, REI, different places that I have up there, I, as an affiliate, will receive commissions that will go towards helping me earn money. So that's something you're interested, that would be great. If you're not, you want to pass it on to any family or friends, that'd be wonderful too. Need a whole network team to make it so that I can go see Chrissy. If she's not going to be here at Christmas, then I'm just going to have to find a way to get there. And the other thing is I want to start the online store, where eventually I'll take money that I earn from the affiliate sales and buy products and sell things that I think are beautiful or wonderful in some way. And do you want to say again that Ashley really liked the name that I chose for the store was Pheasant Road Marketplace, and Pheasant Road is a road we lived on in Twin Falls, Idaho for a number of years. My own dear mom named that road, and Ashley liked the name, so that's what I'll start with. And one of the rooms in that store I want to be called Ashley's Antiques, because she always wanted to sell antiques. So I dedicate this video to the many wonderful people in my life, my mom, to Kyla, to Chrissy, to Ron, the guy I've been dating, and to Ashley, who's not here anymore. Miss her a lot, and dedicated also to my little sister Jackie. I'm really proud of you, buying a house and doing a good job with things. So love you all. Everybody take care. And this will also be my video Christmas card. So along with happy belated Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas to all. I love you very much, and I can't wait to come visit each and every one of you. I love to travel. Take care. Bye-bye.